All right. Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to AMA82K. Before we get some work done, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with some drum loops. I know it's been a minute. I'm not posting that much. I'm not uploading tutorials, but yeah, I'm finding my way to get back to this. Otherwise, everything is okay. I hope everyone is doing well. I love to be here, guys, but just that it's not easy, just to do all these tutorials, on shooting, editing. It's a lot of times, most of the times. But yeah, bigger king, guys. So these are the new drum loops that I created for you. I'm a HHK drum loops volume 5. So you can see I have the shaker here. The loops are very simple. They will give you the ability to add more extra percussions to spice up the vibe or the groove or whatever it is. So let's have a listen to the first drum loop. Okay, you see, it's nice and simple. Oh, this is the second one. So you can see there is no shaker. That's why I have the shaker above here. So that's it, guys. Let me just drag another one. So you can see, let me move on. Let me just slow this down here. This one needs a little bit of gain. So the download link is always in the description as usual, guys. We all know this. So let's move on. This one needs gain. Okay, cool. That's nice. Okay. Like I said, all these drum loops, they're simple. They will give you that ability, to add few extra percussions, just to come up with your own thing, because obviously everyone is gonna be using the same drum loops. So at the end of the day, you wanna be unique. You can even drag two. Maybe, for example, I already have this one, and then I have this one, and then what you can do is you concentrate on this. It's simple. You want to make sure that most of the time you actually hitting the same beats, because these lines, they represent bars and beats, right? So you can see that here we have something. So I assume that if I am made to shift this, maybe something like this, so you see that it's kind of like going the same way. So just like this, move some of these things. You can come up with something unique. So I'm gonna move this to here, and maybe this one I'm just gonna leave it there, and maybe I should just drag this one till here. I'm just dragging this by experience, guys. I'm not so sure if this could perfectly be okay, but it's time to have a listen. You see, so this one, and you can see that it's actually a new drum loop. So that's my way of creating drum loops. In most of the times, I don't wanna have so much going on, because I know that you need room to experience, you need room to explore with the drum loops. So as simple as this. So let's move on to the other loop. So this one needs gain as well, and I'm gonna mute this one. Like I said, the download link is in the description. Let's move on. This is a perfect drum loop. I think on my next video we'll be using this drum loop here, just to maybe create something from scratch. Otherwise, guys, I don't want this video to be very long, so but they are in these ones. Oh, let's just play this one. I think this one is cool. No. Okay. It's also nice. Guys, catch me on the next video. Love you guys. You can download these drum loops. The links is in the description below.